Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, December 3rd, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post attendance. Copies, please be mindful of your copy usage. The book basket is filled with Christmas books now, so make sure you can grab one of those out, put the sticky note with your name on it in Mrs. Smith's box, and just return the book to the library. Late duty today is Miss Lankford. Still got the Stuff the Bus toy drive going on, so make sure you bring a new unwrapped toy to school before December 8th. You will check in with your teacher and then make sure you get on the list and then bring your toy to the media center and give it to Miss Smith to go under our beautiful tree. If you bring a toy, you get to wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans next Friday. The word of the day is side. Side is one of the line segments that makes a polygon. So it goes from an endpoint to an endpoint on a polygon, and it is called a side. Important dates. Today is the deadline for the reading diagnostic to be complete, and we have the majority of our students have completed in that, so that is fantastic news. If you need some assistance with this today, please let me know. Also, we are having our spelling bee practice this morning in the media center at 8:15. So if you were contacted about that yesterday, make sure that you send your students at 8:15. I believe that's grades 3 through 5. So make sure those students are sent to the library at 8:15. December 8th is the deadline for the toy donations. December 9th is the spelling bee. December 10th, toy drive participants can wear a Christmas shirt and jeans. It's the door decoration judging day, and it's the St. Jude pizza party for 4th and kindergarten. December 17th is the deadline for partnership conferences. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Shepherd Scholars, and have a great weekend.